and out. Together, lift together. Separate here. Okay? Let's try. Yes, it's kind of assertive. I said so. Not like I said so. Or told you so, right? Told you so. Good. You know how you can make it better? Still practicing hands separately, because playing hands together slows you down a lot. Let's try left hand a little faster. Just an accompaniment. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. Let's try hands together now again. Take a big breath. Not exactly.
In, out.
Hmm?
In, out.
No, you're doing great in and out. Look. 1, 2, and so right hand lifts, left hand still holds for the another quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I said lift them together, you started playing like that. But we need to hold this note. 1, 2, 3, 4. But this lifts right after 1, on 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, holding too long. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, lift on 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Continue the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. D minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, G, 1, 2, you so. Good job.